Today I have to go get some more paint because I already purchased 4 gallons of paint, and we're doing the garage apartments behind the big house. And for some reason, in like 3 hours, they've already gone through 4 gallons of paint. And look, I am dressed in a new shirt today. Here's a close-up just in case you need to see the traffic cone closer. Here we are, side view of the cone that says go around me, do not bother me. What do you think? You think I should buy these for everyone? This was just a clearance and we had it printed. And it is that kind of wicking material stuff, but I don't know. I don't know if I like the color cone, driving cone color. Let's go get some paint. Let's go to Sherwin-Williams again. And let's talk to people as to why we're using too much paint. It's a Monday.
Hey man, you got some supplies.
Yeah, that was my guy.
You want that one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he got supplies.
And then the 2 that we're getting now?
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing paint and tile today. And behind the big house are 2 apartments. And that's specifically what we are here for, because we're going to move in those apartments. Today we are starting the interior paint of the 2 garage apartments in the back, specifically the downstairs. We have chosen a flat for the walls and a satin for the baseboards. So let's go inside because we have a little language barrier. The guys that we have doing the work are from Brazil, so we printed and translated something in Portuguese so they could understand exactly what we wanted done. Okay, come on, let's go. Hello, here you go. Portuguese.
It's good.
It's good, okay. I don't know what it says. The ceiling and the walls are all the same color.
Same color.
Yeah. And then the baseboards, 1 can.
The satin.
Okay. Good. And I guess the ceiling. Oh, so bright. It's like, wow. Okay. If you get hot, there's popsicles in the freezer. In the freezer at the bottom. Okay? Okay. And the baseboards, if you wanted to, they are Zurich white. Yeah, if you wanted to, do you want to pre-paint the baseboards? You do? Okay. Yeah, before install. You want to paint first?
Paint first.
Maybe? I don't know.
It's good.
Okay. All right. So you good?
You're good.
Okay. All right. Have fun. Okay. Now we're going to see how the tile is going, because we've already started to tile the outside little deck area and the upstairs bathroom and the downstairs bathroom. So let's go see how it's going. So here is the front door, and here we go. Let's go see. We ran out of 4 boxes and had to pick up 4 more boxes this morning. Ooh, there he is. Hi. Looks good.
Thank you.
There's the specialty fan. Since it was $22.99 a square foot, we only did 1 wall. And then the other was just your basic subway, but it's a wet wall for the toilet, a wet wall for the vanity. So just in case it gets wet, that's why it's called a wet wall, nothing will get on it. Over here, we're gonna have wallpaper. And over here, in the pocket door area, we're gonna have wallpaper as well. Now we're going upstairs. And here is going to be, it's covered right now, but this is going to be where you can sit outside, look at the stars, have a beverage, and this is the tile, and it all had to be waterproofed. If you can see that Schluter waterproofing going all the way around, it's a water impermeable membrane, so that really helps. And then we're going to take off a bunch of the siding stuff that's kind of rotted and replace it with new where the water can't get in. And this is the bedroom. Hi, Robson.
Hello.
You know I video.
Dinner and road video.
I love video, yeah. Say hi.
You're gonna beat me all day now, right?
All day? No. Do you want me to?
No.
Okay. Anyway, can I see the soldier course? This is Robson, he's gonna put up a soldier course of tile, and then the rest of it is going to be horizontal. So the first line is vertical, which will be the baseboard. Cool. We're back just to come to check on Marcos, and he's painting the trim now. So for the walls, since everybody asked in all these videos, for the walls inside, we're doing SW7757, which is high reflective white. And for the baseboards, we're doing SW7626. SW stands for Sherwin-Williams, and it's called Zurich white. and the walls were doing a flat. You can go ahead. The walls were there. There's Vanna White. The walls were doing a flat, and the baseboards were doing a satin, just so it wouldn't be as shiny as normal. So what he's doing, since we're not going to put the baseboards on today, since the wall paint's drying and we have all the baseboards here, is we're going to go ahead and put on the paint and the primer on the baseboards, and then it'll dry, and then we'll cut them, put them in, and then maybe roll one last coat on them after we install them. And we putty the nails and caulk, etc., etc. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Here are the apartments that we're doing. There are 2, and they usually have 2 doors, but since we're going to live here, we are making them 1 apartment. So you'll have 2 kitchens, 1 apartment, upstairs, downstairs, 2 bathrooms. Each of them are 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So now we're going to have 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, with a little balcony right upstairs that has the tarp on it right now, where we saw the tile earlier. And that is where you can sit outside and see beautiful views of this. And there's water right over there after this truck's gone, after these trees are trimmed, and after this dumpster's gone. You just have to visualize it. So is all of it all sanded? Oh, no. No. When you paint it, where does it dry? Yeah, how do you dry it? How does it dry? No paint on the floor.
Yeah.
You have to put
a
okay.
paper here.
So I'll go home and I'm going to order.
I told him, I think he was scared to say too much. I say, you sure? He said, yes.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So 2 more boxes.
Not okay. Make sense. See, we have here.
No, we're going to leave it. It's going to be gone.
Sorry.
It's
sorry.
okay,
I
honey.
wish
Is it going to look good with the brushed gold, something like that?
Oh, yeah.
Is that good? Okay.
Okay. We're gonna have everything.
Cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's going to look beautiful. I am coming to check on the paint to make sure that those additional gallons that we purchased earlier was sufficient, and that's all they needed. And then also I wanted him to get started on the trim, just to make sure that he knew where the boards are, and to check on the tile. And luckily it was great that we checked on the tile, because we had some issues with the tile, and we have to go order 2 more boxes of tile. So you know, when people say when you do construction to make sure that you have a contingency, like with extra amount over here just in case you find something, just have extra amount just in case everything, not just because you find something, just in case someone miscalculated tiles or miscalculated the amount of paint that would be used. That's a smart idea.